Oh, remember that time that you had a couple $1,000 extra to spend and you bought a ton of clothes and you tried it on in front of the camera and it was a fun, huge try-on haul? Yeah, me either. It's Jamie here. My channel is Reviews by Jamie. There's a car driving by. Those are all the facts for today. So today I'm doing what was formerly known as a fitting room review, where I try on a bunch of clothes in a store and film it. Now I'm kind of thinking I should change the name to Broke Ass Hauls, because that is what this is. This is a try-on haul for people who can't go out and spend all this money on all these clothes like all these YouTubers are doing. So I decided, what is more realistic? I go to the store, I try on a bunch of clothes, I don't have to buy any of it, I'm just kind of seeing, maybe there'll be something, maybe one thing that I like, and maybe you'll see something that you like too. Just a reminder, I'm doing a giveaway on my decluttering video, which I'll link down below. It's decluttering makeup, and I do a fixie repair kit review. So I'm giving away a fixie repair kit, and it's really, really cool. Definitely check it out. You can fix all your broken shadows and powders, like any powdered makeup. So definitely go enter. So the first thing I show you is just what I'm wearing to go shopping. It's this sweater that's extremely old. And what else is there? Leggings and these boots. I love these boots. These are Sperry, like kind of waterproof rain winter boots, and they're so cute. I love them. So the first thing I try on, I was kind of drawn to it because it has a ton of stars all over it, and it just reminds me of the logo. This is one of the cases from my company because of a case. We sell phone cases and donate a portion to charity, but our logo has a bunch of stars on it, so I don't know. I just kind of love stars. So this shirt is really cute, but the sleeves were very tight on me. Maybe not on other people. Whoa, what's going on? I really did think it was pretty. It was very flattering, the open shoulder and the kind of ruffly sleeve. It was really cool. No, I didn't get it though. So next up is a plaid top. I love plaid tops. They're casual, but you can kind of dress them up a little bit too. You can put jewelry, you can put chokers, you could put like a lacy bralette under. They're really cool and versatile. I loved this one. The colors are so pretty. I love that purple. I've been so into purple. I've never been this much into purple in my life, but like, it's almost become one of my favorite colors now. And it used to be more like teal and aqua, but I don't know, I'm really loving purple. So I like this. I kind of tied a little knot in it just to kind of see how that would look. It looked okay. Then I kind of tucked it in and did the kind of untuck kind of thing, which was cool too. Next thing I tried on, I was so disappointed because when I took it off the rack, I thought that this was the front. This actually is not the front, it's the back. But I was so disappointed, I just had to try it on like this anyway. But wouldn't this be cute? So it's a sweater dress, and I love that it's casual. But I thought that it was kind of like the choker one and a cool like V-neck. So I thought it kind of dressed it up a little bit while being casual. Super cute. But I think you could see like where the tag and stuff was, so you really can't totally wear it like that. Maybe you could, I don't know, but it's really cute. So then I actually turned it around so that you could see it the right way, and it was okay. I thought it was better how I envisioned it, but it was okay. I didn't really need a sweater dress thing, and I felt like it didn't look so good. So then I moved on to a huge trend right now, which is like the knotted or twist front tops. Also tie tops are really cool. Is it a tie? No, it's kind of like a knot. I like the color of this one, but when I tried it on, I don't know, it looked okay. And it was kind of flattering, but I didn't feel like it made me look cool. Like I didn't get this like wow factor from it. It was just, it was nice. Maybe if it was like, oh, I'm just gonna get a bunch of stuff, this would have been nice to get, but I'm really being specific about what I'm buying. So it did not pass the test of, wow. It has to like be wow. So the next thing I tried on was a sweatshirt, and I love the color of this. It's like a pinky purple color, and the tie part or like the knotted part was really cute. I hadn't really seen that on more of like a sweatshirt material. It's like super casual, but you have your knotted like twisty part, so it's cool. I was concerned that people would think it was a maternity shirt on me because it kind of looked like one, and it was like right where my stomach is. And I think since I have a toddler, a lot of people are always kind of questioning in their heads or to my face like, oh, are you pregnant or whatever. So I don't know, but I actually did really like it, and looking at it now, I like it even more. And I forgot about this shirt, but it was really cute, and it kind of looks like a copy of some that you've been seeing at Urban Outfitters and Nordstrom. Very relaxed and easy. I thought it was a little too short for it. I think it hung a little bit too low, but it was still really cute, casual, and so on trend. Target's always a good store because you can find things that are more inexpensive, and they kind of go with the trends a lot too, so they really do know the trendy stuff. I'll probably do another broke try-on haul again for you guys, so let me know down in the comments what you would like to see, and thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys soon. Bye!